Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to add cleaning solution to ROBOROCK Saros Z70. The cleaning solution can be filled after opening these doors. You'll find it right here on the left side, and you can simply remove the cleaning solution tank, then open the lock on top, then fill it in and close it. Remember to only use the certified ROBOROCK cleaning solution because other may cause malfunction on your robot. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.